False. Welcome back to NEUROBREW TRADER channel. Now, this is the last video of this playlist. Of course, this playlist mainly I was focusing on taking swing trades, finding high probability trades based on the ICT optimal trade entry. It was very clear and very strict. Prepare yourself for the next playlist because we have something extremely important. I have it, and I'm going to share it with you. Uh, that will help you a lot uh, to take trades, swing trades, and to take the trades that you learned on during this playlist. Like mainly, the next playlist will be um, time-based playlist. We can say time-based trades. Like you set during a specific period, and you take your trade if you find an opportunity. If you don't find any opportunity, you won't take the trade or the right side. So today I am on the British pound US dollar daily time frame. I will be again selecting most recent swing high and most recent swing low. But now on a data already happened, I'm not going to select like the last data as I did with the USD JPY. So I think if you check the results that I shared with you, I mean, like not the results, the trade the trade idea that I shared with you, it was very clear that the JPY is going to push up back, and and it was clear as I explained. I'm not going to go back to what I explained because you need to check the video to understand everything. Okay, now I will be working from 22 May 2025 till 28 April 2025. Most recent swing low here, we have it broken. In this case, it's here. One moment, let me check. Not this one. Okay, so mainly focusing on this one here. Also, we have here a swing high and another swing high and a swing low before the break of swing highs. So what do we have here? You're going to tell me that a swing low broken, so I'm going to take myself. I'm going to tell you correct, but he can't take it. Not because I see a bullish move coming or something like that, what I expect, because of what happened before. Actually, in this case here, this retracement back up, forming a swing high, and then going back down. In this case, I can't take the trade. It is the reason because the internal liquidity already taken on the daily time frame. And I have another internal liquidity in this area here. You will not understand how to define them later on because mainly I'm focusing on the optimal trade entry. I'm not going to explain to you other things now. So if you check this swing eye and if you check this swing low and this swing low here, you're going to tell me that you have a setup. I'm going to tell you, okay, all right, you have a setup here. Okay. But now we are going to go into the lower time frame. I'm going to draw the fib from here. Your stop loss did not get hit, by the way. And we are going back down into the 4 hours. What do you have here? We drew the fib from on this area based on this break here. Okay, and when it retraced back, I need a clear setup on the 4 hours time frame, a bearish setup, which is not the case here. It arrived back up here, and at some points I can say that you had a break of swing high here at this case, and that break of swing high on the 4 hours time frame, and of course that gap closing will not make me take that trade. Even if you're going to tell me about that swing low here, but I can't take it. And especially if I'm going to take it, let's say I'm going to draw the fib one. Okay, but look what happened. We have here it retraced back up, formed the swing eye, and then I took, let's say I took it from here and then pushed back up, breaking this swing eye. I'm going to close it. I'm going what? I'm going to close the trade, even if at small loss, because the secret is not about getting like the right trade. The secret is about managing your trade for the long term, especially the swing trades. You might tell me, but you said it works well and you don't need to manage your trade and you don't need to close partials. Who said I don't need to close partials? The rules that you make for yourself by closing partials are your own rules. I'm being flexible with you. I'm not obliging you, for example, to close 20% from your trade at 100 pips. I'm not obliging you to close 50% at 200 pips. I'm not telling you this because I can't. I can do that because I'm not sitting in the front of the chart. You are the one who is sitting. You are the one who is clicking the button and taking the trades and executing it and losing or winning. I'm not the one. But I can tell you how you can understand exactly what's happening. this case, for example, also you have that small swing high here broken, but without a swing low formed. Oh, you have this small swing low formed before the break, mainly of swing high. You can say it like that. And this is will tell you this will tell you in this case that you don't have any trade. And the ranging here, the ranging that is showing will tell you the same thing because I want to focus with you here at this move. I'm going to change the colors. I have here a swing low. Okay, change it into green. I have this swing low, and I have before it this swing low. I'm going to look into the most recent swing high. Also, this is a swing high. Look what happened. The swing low did not get broken, but the swing high did. And also, if you are going to tell me that you're searching for a bullish move here, in this case, I will tell you that there is no setup. Here is the reason I need a swing high formed here, a swing low formed before the break of a swing high. That's not the case here. And this is after breaking this swing high, a swing low broken, forming this swing high formed, and this swing low here formed at the same time, breaking this swing low. But if you look at that long shadow that we are going to get into it, I'm going to look into this area because mainly for the swing trades, and this is extremely important, put it in your notes. We focus on the daily 4 hours and 1 hour mainly. You might go into 15 minutes or 30 minutes, but I don't recommend it. It is risky. I will educate you about it. In my next playlist, it's going to be about it. I'm going to tell you, teach you everything you need. Okay, I went into this place where you are going to draw your fib. Okay, we arrived into a place when we draw the fib from this area into this area, a swing high formed. Look, it got into 0.618 and a swing high already formed. And it was during the weekend. It was on Friday, so you cannot take any trade on Friday. And I'm going to talk about this. So I'm telling you, just learn how to find your learning in this playlist, how to find setups, and how to draw the fib, and how to focus on high probability setup. And mostly in the next playlist, I will tell you about the timing and everything needed. Look at this swing iPhone, and it was on a Friday, so you will not take any swing trade because you don't know what happens on Saturday and Sunday that will make the market push up. And it got broken at the entry. So in this case, no trades. So I'm telling you, if you focus, if you focus on what's happening and how the algorithm is delivering the price, and start understanding why this exactly happened, and I became at some points obsessed when I when I'm losing, in understanding why did I lose, and in winning also, why did I win? uh, because at some points when I started, I was a bit lucky. I was focusing on luck, not on technical analysis, but I learned, and until I became consistent. So I started uh, asking myself, why this happened? Why did it hit my stop loss? What should I do next? What should I do next time? Where should I look? And what is the price swing that I should look for? And but I saw a break of previous swing low and the retracement into 0.618. But why it hit my stop loss? Mainly the main setup is like working, but at the same time it's not working. Like it swiped my stop loss and went down. Like these are all these I looked into them. All these, like, I had some headaches from them. And I'm telling you, with time you will start looking in different way in front of the charts, and you're going to be thankful for the time that you visited this YouTube channel, because what is explained here very close to ICT explanation, but in different ways. And I am like focusing with you step by step on everything. And I'm very like focusing with you on finding the right setups, or the high probability setups that you're going to increase your win rates with it. Also, in the future, I will be showing you how to have a small win rate, a very small win rate, but being profitable and very profitable. Also, this is going to be, uh, I don't know how to describe it, because I don't care how you will describe it, or how I will describe it. Only I focus on delivering to you the right things and the right learning, and that's all what you need. So mainly, in conclusion for this video, in this case, we have no setups. We don't have any setup here in this period. So you have almost 1 month without finding any setup for position trades and swing trades. So hopefully you found this insightful, and I'll see you in the next playlist. Make sure to be ready. Make sure to review the whole playlist and try to practice everything I explained. And so you will be finding everything easy, and especially when you understand the timing and the period where you're going to focus on the market and where you're going to be trading, in which time specifically. All right. See you soon, and I wish you good luck and good trading.